Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Group 4. In this video, we will discuss about format of application letter, how to make application letter, and fungsi of application letter. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about a format at application letter. So, let's get started. Okay, the first is format at application letter. Number 1, applicant's address. The applicant's address consists of names, addresses, phone number, and email address. Pada alamat pelamar ini terdiri dari nama pelamar, alamat pelamar, alamat email, dan juga nomor telepon. Next, date. There are two styles in writing dates. The first one, to use British English is the month written first. To use American style, that is the written date first. Jadi, dalam penulisan tanggal ada dua style. Yang pertama itu menggunakan British style, yakni dituliskan terlebih dahulu bulan. Kemudian American style yang ditulis pertama itu adalah tanggal. Number 3, employer's address. Employer's address to comprise employer's name, job title, company's name, and company address. Pada alamat penerima terdiri dari nama penerima, nama pekerjaan, nama perusahaan, dan juga alamat perusahaan. Number 4, salutation. Such salutation as dear Miss or Mr. Salutation itu adalah salam pembuka. Jadi misalnya dear Mr, dear Mrs, seperti itu ya. Number 5, opening paragraph. Can read down information about yourself and the profession. Could also read down the reason for being interested in the post. Pada paragraf pembuka, kita tuh dapat menuliskan informasi diri dan posisi yang dilamar itu apa dan kenapa alasan kita itu tertarik pada posisi jabatan tersebut. Di sini tempatnya untuk menjelaskan alasan tersebut. Number 6, body of letter, containing the skill we possess, mentioning our compliments. On this part, we promote ourselves to the best of our ability. Pada bagian body of letter atau badan surat berisi keterampilan yang kita miliki. Kita dapat menyebutkan prestasi kita selama kuliah misalnya, atau selama sebelum bekerja di sini kita itu pernah bekerja di mana, apakah kita dapat prestasi di sana, itu bisa disebutkan juga di sini. Pokoknya pada bagian ini kita itu mempromosikan diri kita sebaik mungkin. Number 7 is closing paragraph. Can convey that we have the appropriate qualification for that position. We can include personal context as well as expect in an interview call conclude with a heartfelt thanks. Pada paragraf penutup ini kita dapat menyampaikan bahwa kita itu memiliki kualifikasi yang sangat sesuai untuk posisi tersebut. Kita dapat menyertakan kontak pribadi kita sekaligus mengharapkan ada panggilan wawancara gitu ya. Dan juga jangan lupa untuk menutupnya dengan ucapan terima kasih. Kemudian closing, your sincerely or your faithfully. And then signature includes a full name and signature. Jadi pada bagian signature ini kita itu menyertai nama lengkap kita dan tanda tangan juga, jangan lupa. Okay, that's all for format at application letter. Let's we move to how to make at application letter.
Hi, my name is Sedar Inopa. You do first when you read a job application letter. At the beginning of your letter, enter company information. Make sure you write down the name and position you want, along with the company name and address. This is important to show that you have done your research about the company you want to apply for. Avoid standard forms of writing such as human resource manager, the company because it will seem copy-pasted. If you already know the name of the human resource department manager, you can include it. Take advantage of social media such as Twitter or LinkedIn to get information about the manager of HRD staff. Next, you have to write down your abilities and work experience, as well your qualification in the second paragraph. Also explain why accepting you would be an advantage for the company. In the second paragraph, as much possible you should reflect your competence and experience that matches the requirements needed for the job. Then, in the last part of the application letter, you should explain why you are the right person for the position you want. In addition, here you also offer an opportunity for the HRD department to contact you regarding the next job acceptance process, namely an interview. Next, don't forget to say thank you by adding the words best regards or sincerely yours, followed by your signature and clear name. How to make an application letter? First paragraph, number 1, put the company's information. Jadi, inti-intinya dari cara membuat surat lamaran yaitu paragraf pertama, nomor 1, masukkan informasi perusahaan. Number 2, read an engaging paragraph with a strong and declarative statement. Nomor 2 itu, tulis paragraf yang menarik dengan persyaratan yang kuat dan deklaratif. Next, second paragraph. Number 1, briefly summarizing your strengths, experience, and qualification. Lanjut di paragraf kedua yaitu nomor 1, ringkas kekuatan pengalaman dan kualitas Anda. Number 2, explain why hiring you will benefit the employer. Nah, di nomor 2 ini, jelaskan mengapa mempekerjakan Anda itu akan menguntungkan bagi perusahaan itu. Next, di third paragraph, number 1, write why you're the perfect candidate for the job in one sentence. Lanjut di paragraf ketiga ini, nomor 1, ulangi mengapa Anda kandidat yang mampu untuk dipekerjakan dalam perusahaan itu dalam satu kalimat. Number 2, invite the hiring manager to contact you. Nah, nomor 2 ini, undang manajer perekrutan untuk menghubungi Anda.
Hello, my name is Tian Marcel. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang fungsi dari application letter. The main function. The main function of a job application letter is as a written or official sign of submitting a job application to a prospective employer. In addition, because this letter is official in nature, it will be immediately accepted as an application and consideration in accepting the application. The function of the contents of this job application letter are A. As a communication tool, this function is one of the basic functions of every letter, because every letter will certainly contain information that will be needed by the intended party. In a job application letter, a certificate will usually be attached, a curriculum vitae, a photocopy of an ID card, and a description of work experience. Jadi ini tuh yang A itu fungsinya tuh untuk komunikasi dengan itunya tuh si pemilik pekerjaannya, terus kita tuh ngejelasin pengalaman apa yang udah kita dapat sebelum kerja di ini tuh. All of this information will be taken into consideration by the company in accepting the applicants. Therefore, you must pay close attention to the information in the application letter and prepare all the prerequisites. Terus yang B, for your consideration as explained earlier that the presence of a job application letter and sharing information about self-identity is an important requirement because to make a consideration for the company to accept the right application to fill the vacant job. Yang C, as a written or official side of submitting a job application, this one function is the main function of the content of the job application letter, because this letter is official. Of course, it will be immediately accepted as a request and consideration in accepting the applicants. Jadi saya simpulkan sendiri, fungsi dari job application letter itu selain dari berfungsi sebagai alat komunikasi pelamar dengan penerima kerja, surat lamaran kerja juga berfungsi sebagai alat penilai awal apakah cocok untuk ditempatkan di posisi yang telah dipilih atau dicantumkan pada surat lamaran tersebut atau tidak. Sekian dari saya. Terima kasih. Mohon maaf bila banyak kekurangan. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to make resume and be happy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.